Today we're going to talk about the Ducati Superleggera 2, the holy grail for this serious Ducati collector. Ducati in 2017 made 500 of these limited editions. The most powerfulest V-twin Ducati has ever produced, 215 brake horsepower. These are just incredible to ride, even signed off by the engine builder on each individual motorcycle. Superleggera is Italian for super light, only weighing 156 kg, and the reasons for this weight reduction is down to the carbon frame, which makes the bike really rigid and extremely light, and also the carbon swing arm, carbon wheels, carbon fairings, all contributing to make the ultimate lightning race bike. So this MotoGP bike for the road comes with several different settings. Three which stand out for me, the first one being a DPL, which is Ducati Power Launch Control, which basically comes with three different settings depending on the rider's choice of how much he wants to get the power down on the ground. It might be wet conditions, dry conditions, or just literally release the clutch and off he goes extremely quickly. The second being DWC, Ducati Wheelie Control, keeping the front wheel on the ground at all times and the power on the ground. And third is DSC, Ducati Slide Control. So if you fancy yourself as Valentino Rossi going into those corners and getting it sideways, to be fair, rather you than me, but each their own. Ducati put the heart and the soul into this motorcycle and it truly shows. But also with a big price tag. In 2017, this was the dearest Ducati ever introduced into the market. But one of 500, this, in my eyes, is the holy grail for any serious motorcycle collector.